Greetings to the world here. This is OkrasmountzioN talking. I'm back again with another reaction as usual. Back again, big. We out here in Africa, South Africa, Western Cape, Cape Town, around. I'm back with the one and only Ndiwanga Sadiki, aka RKV. RKV is an abbreviation, stands for Venḓa. You know what I mean? The most streamed artist, the most featured artist, Venḓa, which Kwambongwa. Umtukana akwawela banamkana. Umfowethu wakho awela. Achizama ufara thandela dzanga ngapha nona bafowethu bakho kumposa basokore mngana dori achidanga ngapha nona bafowethu basokore enda wotsikana Venḓa. So he's back with another banger. As we already know, he does freestyle towards amapiano beats. And shout out to actually first and foremost, let me just say shout out to Big J. Big J is the guy who do all the samples, because who do all these beats for Venḓa. Okay, Big J, kind of Big J. I think it's Big J name. Yeah, it's Big J. Shout out to him, man. Okay, let's confirm. Already the Big J, kind of the Big J. Let's do it.
One freestyle that he once did that moved me.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Yes.
This freestyle moved me.
Yeah.
So the instrumental itself,
Yeah.
it was moving me.
Yes.
And then I started making research. Can I get an instrumental for this?
Yeah.
I called my boy.
Yeah.
"Yo, bro,
Who's your boy?
I have this guy called Big J Beats.
BJ Beats. Shout out to BJ Beats.
For real, it's always-
I think he deserves some credits.
He
You know.
really does.
Yeah.
He
Shout
really
out
does.
to DJ Beats. What's his name?
Big J Beats.
BJ.
Big J.
Oh, Big J
Big
Beats.
J Beats.
Shout out to you, man.
Shout out to him.
So
Shout
yeah,
out to
and then you called him.
Yeah, because the instrumental moved me.
Yeah.
So I want the same instrumental that's used,
Yeah.
so that I could actually rap on it,
Yeah.
freestyle on it,
Yeah.
but also it sends to him. Like it's a special,
Yeah.
it's a special hint
Yeah.
to him. Oh, there's this kid
Yeah.
from
who got
Venḓa, or
inspired.
this kid from where,
Yeah.
who is inspired by your work. To show that I'm a fan,
Yeah.
it's me using his instrumental. It shows that I know this is
Casual. Hey, yo, by when yanyambezano never me. Roadkill yo banayo nandi wo. Like when so kono ngarwa Venḓa bakwenda zotamba. When so kono ngarwa Venḓa bakotamba. Venḓa people are doing the most. Look at Roadkill Venḓa. Any interview in the kwenda besa nanje na pano kali description ndo na link ya any interview ndo nyela besa. Wala mfowethu ndi Venḓa ufindiwo. When you talk about Moses, it's a Venḓa as well, man. It's from Limpopo, Messina. You know what I mean? So, like, bro, yeah, Messina zvodu video the robo yo thoma nichiko bva shangoni Zimbabwe nichiko ratira Africa Chipembe. Cape Town. Ndrini Africa Chipembe letikwanga Cape Town ngatikwana nga Mosini. So, Moses, yeah. So, when you want to go to Venḓa bakwenda zotamba. You know Venḓa ndino ngari bakwenda zotamba. So, when you talk about Big J, ndiye ane abori uita beat dza Roadkill Venḓa zote. And achidivisa uri ubo kuita mini ngada uri mbono uri beat yone fana ikono uri kokotono. Pezi zvichida kudzi copyright hapo ni cheka description anangadona na chitu. So he's genius. So hey track yapuma ifi Bopha ine yabori ndiye feloti ndani chikoravesa imwe interview ya data kakaya 959 like yeah ola mfowethu ochimbira ndo rudapfu vanamkana ndiyeni wodiela track 66 pum. You know what I mean? Yeah. So the original song ndiye fellow Liti featuring Sleaze and Melo. Sleaze and Melo. And Young Stana, ifi Bopha. Yeah. Rakonopanga madumane. Yeah, you know, when he raps, he's madumane. When he produces music, he's DJ Mapurisa. Yeah, nakabza this small. So without any words of time, let's go. Bopha. Casual. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Vari. Hey, now hold it quick down. casual. Bro, you know that lalela. Enda, listen attentively. You know what I mean? Casual. Ombona mandis. Tubalenda mutabisa. You know what I mean? Arikwambothabanga zvimwe apa. Akwambotaba isore. Mara the double meaning. Yeah, dwalenda mutabisa, lenda munetisa. Na dwalenda mutabisa. Ngagai, lenda mutabisa Jerusalem. Oh, flip. Ti Jerusalem ndio nechisore chisatabi. Yeah, dwalenda mutabisa Jerusalem. Jerusalem arikwamba. You know what I mean? Hey, lalela. Kesho. Talent yami izongisiza. Talent yanga idontusa. You know what I mean? Lale. So when he said Chatambela Kandish, Sunkumbuza the one and the only Sandman Kim Repa. This touch of it. Abalabandana Tidur River Chansana Gana. Like, no, our chances of the more music or only comic rap in a Rachakilis or Uitayon. So, when electrical, Ditambeda Kandish, Ditambeda. Hey, did you see her? Hey, did you see her? Ndomugunyedza bikondo popa and naraveresa vunja zvinepe zvarukiri Venḓa chichikopefuma ndona china chichobvorera rubiko rusekene one I can imagine chobvorera rubiko rusekene ngorini chomugunyedza biko la popa. You know what I mean? 5 4 3 2 1 casual popa. That's a 4 round. Zvankumbuzela track freestyle to Dex. Hey Dex, I'm just a young boy who just tryna chase this rap game. Like what the fuck? So nane ndekota that's a 4 round. Ndroni itonga khoma nyana mara too much, man. Listen. You know this it hits harder than my mom's. It hits harder than my mom's belt. It'd be like up. That fucker right here. You know what I mean? You don't get the number of attack gang and whatever. Fucker right here. Seems like people are enjoying it, man. I don't need to enjoy a dumb buzabaka comment section. Should we use it? Fucker right here. You know what I mean? Hemgana. Now do bali kofisa. Kelo do baba na mgala. Kumisa. Ari. Mandisi ninjerere mtapasi yangi. Odumonga basizana basa. Lenda mutabisa. Lalela. 5 4 3 2 1 go. Tong. On. Obasa confirme achiwa on. Achiwa off adobaba on. Ndori achikonfirme. Akonfirme asola mthani namuri zero namsina ra chora atichi. Namsini ngafona naona suswini tama jonji fona. Naona mweyo fast. You know what I mean? Fucker right here. On.
mbon ana maduva okutorera uto amba ambon mbon doba ndichizuru mufunira achibore ndiye bar chino chizura chituvurira ndorakabora ya kor totangana neye munadini ari bebe ndina tor ombona ndikokuvuma amboma afunga rokolor ivane urime ine uyekora ndemuvana nemurau neselerela mukomba ndasechakona kokotomugoni ene uhot kotodadzafo
round.
kumufako ami
Bro, that it hits. Ah, man. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And it's going to come on your side. The one that's Sadiki. It's RKV. Barikiman, Kiman. It's RKV. Bro, like I'm gonna genius you. Ndroni, but urmin, Barikiman. Arehui. Jamborni, when he performed this song, he'll be like, Barikiman. Then it's a blank space. It's RKV. Barikiman. It's RKV. Like genius. Towards to them and the way I'm Zig or Nizuka says, listen. Listen. Barikiman. It's RKV. Barikiman. It's RKV. Barikiman. No, lamam tangan go sweet. Okay, so. I'm gonna this touch. Fuck it. Casual. Fuck out of here. You know what I mean? I'm out here. Actually, no man. Hey, you pull on a gate wrong. Miss what the react can you was a rookie even the one by your name? Because Umbraka freestyle to Dex Nando the Ambaraye. If you root kid ain't. If you root kid, Polone, peace out. I'm out here.